Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing your PC. Make sure Windows is updated and you have an active Apple ID with an Apple Music subscription. Now open Microsoft Store and install the Apple Music app, or, if you prefer, iTunes, either works. Once installed, sign in using your Apple ID. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication. This gets you into the app quickly and ensures your subscription and library sync options will be available. After signing in, move to Library Settings to enable sync and playback options. Once signed in, you'll set up how music flows. First, enable Sync Library in settings so Apple Music shows your cloud tracks and playlists. If you have local files, import them via File Add to Library or drag and drop into the app. iCloud will merge them with your account. Next, select streaming quality and offline download preferences so songs behave predictably on limited bandwidth. Finally, pick the correct audio output in Windows sound settings and the app to prevent muted playback. These steps optimize. Now you're ready to play. You search to find music, open a playlist in Library, and hit play. Media keys work for quick control. For offline listening, download albums or songs to local storage. To stream to speakers, choose AirPlay or set the app's output to your device. If something goes wrong, first sign out and back in, then update the app in Windows. If issues persist, check network connectivity and firewall permissions. Often a blocked port or outdated app is the single cause and a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.